Okay, great. Well, that looks like you got the wire way inside there fine. Thank you so much for that. So this has to be 3D printed, right? And so when you 3D print, these right here are not going to 3D print because these overhangs will all fail. So you know, that needs to be fixed. So like when you 3D print, you typically would, on this particular one, you would 3D print from this direction right here, and so it would come up, but there's no way to print these pieces right here. So if you could resolve that issue, that would be fantastic. One thing you could do is just to put the screws, you could have just, I can't remember the name of it, spacers. They're basically little pieces of plastic. You could put a screw head, 4 screw heads from this direction, and then they come through on the back side, and then the nuts go over here. And so you could have those screws so that they are either one like that, or you could have them so that they're countersunk somehow. Well, you don't want to have them sticking out, want it flush. But yeah, so you need to resolve that one, and then this one over here, that should all print out just fine. I am a little bit concerned about the threads though, so I'm actually have the printer. As soon as you actually get this part right here resolved, I'll 3D print. And just go ahead and make these pieces right here things that you can 3D print, right? So make these a separate part and make it 3D printable so that people don't have to buy more stuff. It's just I just need the type of screw and the nut that you're using so that people can order those things. But for this piece right here, just make that 3D printable. And let's see what else. That probably should do it, I think. Circles print out okay on 3D printers. It's just not circles, and that's just not the overhangs is where the challenge is at. And then this one, that's fine. Yeah, it looks good. Thank you so much. Oh, and then the animation afterwards. Hopefully you can make it so it looks really, really pretty.